Hi, everybody. Jason Deese with a special Thanksgiving edition of the Flash Insider. Inside look at some of the workings of Flash Weather AI. Big holiday travel week, so we kind of wanted to focus on that a little bit. This is the Wednesday time frame, and you can see on the Flash Command Center, really cold air coming into the Dakotas, Minnesota, those areas. Warmer air down to the south. So where I am in Georgia, and Florida, and Georgia, and South Carolina, all of those areas are pretty warm. So the clash between that cold air and warm air, that's where we can expect to see some of the storm systems develop. And sure enough, that's what we're going to see happen for that Wednesday. A lot of people traveling, so I know we'll get right into it. Best way to see this a lot of times is just with the precip amount. And I'll just go back and look at the expected precipitation amounts across the area. Looking at very light amounts initially, this is 7 a.m. Wednesday through 1 p.m. Wednesday, very light amounts initially, getting some lake effect snows up in New York, and then up in Michigan as well. So that's mainly lake effect snow. The storm system hasn't really gotten itself together yet. We are seeing some snow out in Colorado, especially the higher elevations out in Colorado, seeing some snow out there. So that will hamper your travel plans for Wednesday. As we get to 1 p.m. to 7 p.m., the storm system across the east starts to get its act together a little bit better. Still light amounts, but anytime we've got that many airspace is congested that much, anytime we have that many cars on the roadways, any amount of precipitation is going to exacerbate and add to those travel problems. So even though we're only expecting tenth to maybe a quarter of an inch across these areas of Illinois and Indiana, it's going to cause some issues. And then especially as we get into 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., storm system gets its act together a little bit more. As it progresses east, we're looking at a quarter to maybe a half an inch of rain in the Ohio Valley, getting through the Tennessee Valley, northern Alabama. That activity, again, is just going to exacerbate those travel woes for you. So just be on the lookout for that. Could be some delays at the airport as well. Again, we like to boil things down to the simplest terms. So let's look at the winter storm severity for Wednesday. Again, most of this is the lake effect snow coming in through New York, coming in through Michigan. So lake effect type snow coming in there. We can actually look at the snowfall amount, and most of this is due to the snow coming across. So some minor ice accumulations as well. But this storm system on the backside, as the cold air filters in across portions of Chicago, northern Indiana, into western Ohio, could see a changeover to brief period of snow that could cause some travel issues as well. And then again, getting out here into Colorado and zooming in there, you do see some minor to moderate impacts from the winter weather there. So just wanted to keep you guys abreast on what's going to be going on for the travel season, for the Thanksgiving period at least, and what's going on Wednesday. Try to do some additional updates just to keep you guys updated on what's going on and let you see the command center that we encourage everyone to download. Take care and have a good one.